Hey guys, today we're finishing up on chapter 1 for our math. So this is just an extra practice page, but we're going to kind of use it today kind of like a little quiz. So I'm just going to read the directions to you, and I want you to complete each problem and then have someone take a picture of the front and the back of your paper so I can see how you did. So find this page in your math workbook. Get your name on the top. You will need your counters, so get those out too, and a pencil. And I'll give you just a minute to get all of that ready. Alright, here's what we're going to do. I want you to put your finger right here on this apple, problem number 1. There's a couple different things to do with this problem, so listen carefully. The first thing I want you to do is take out a counter for each star and cover up those stars with the counters while you count them. Then when you know how many stars you have, I want you to write that number on the line. And then the last thing you're going to do is drag those stars down into the 5 frame and draw them for me. So you're going to cover up the stars with counters while you count them, write the number, and then drag the counters down into the 5 frame to show me how many. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for number 2 with the sun. You're going to cover up those moons with counters while you count how many. Write that number on the line, and then drag those counters down into the 5 frame and draw them to show me how many moons. If you need to hit pause at any point during this, just do that and then come back when you're ready for the next one, okay? When you're done with the sun, we're going to come down here by the leaf, number 3. Same thing. Cover up those clouds with counters while you count them. Write how many on the line, and then pull the counters down into the 5 frame and draw them to show how many. When you're done with that one, you can turn onto the back. If you need to hit pause and finish up, do that now. On the back by the apple, you're going to show me a way to make 5. Your counters are 2 different colors. So you're going to take some of one color and some of the other, and fill up your 5 frame and show me a way to make 5. Then you're going to record your way. You're going to write how many of one color the counter to match, and how many you used of the other color your counter to match to make 5. You can hit pause if you need more time. We're going to keep going. You can come back when you're ready by the sun, number 2. You've got 4, 3, 1, 5, 2. Those numbers aren't in counting order, are they? I want you to come down below and start with the number 1 and write those numbers in counting order like you would say them if you were counting. Alright, the last thing I want you to do, we've got 2 problems left. Number 3, you're going to use your counters to kind of solve this problem. You can kind of use your counters to model it, and then you're going to write your answer. So listen to the problem. Anna has 2 oranges in her bag. So let's take out 2 counters to show Anna's 2 oranges. She gives some away. We don't know how many some is yet, do we? But then it tells us that now she has 0 oranges left. No oranges. So how many oranges or counters did she have to give away to end up with 0? Write the number right here of how many counters she had to give away to end up with 0 counters left, or oranges. Last problem. Don't let this one trick you. Here by the flower, I want you to write the number that shows how many fish are in this bowl. How many fish are in this bowl? When you're all done, you can have somebody send me pictures of your paper and I will check it.